We're here in South Florida is facing a gas crisis because of all the rain that we had. Man, my back is killing me. I pulled something a couple of days ago and man, it is killing me right now.
Hey, she's offering somebody money to let you put gas.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my.
Upset like Cinderella teens. You should see the things I feel inside these denim jeans. I can't associate with y'all this shit like ketamine. Been on one, been on two, been on everything. Bitch, I'm with my gang, with my squad. What the fuck you want? Soapy rolling gas, I can't hang. Bitch, I'm fucking gone. I got people down from the jump. Better know your bonds. I got people just tuning in, and the love is strong. Damn, they gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said, we gon' spend it, get it right back. Stack that internet money to the site crash. They on IG tryna get a like back. See, they don't talk that talk, they just type fast. Yeah, we real life, cool, it's really like that. I might roll an eighth inside a blunt, that's a nightcap. Like where my lighter at, boy, I got a flight to catch. Through these ups and these downs, with a guy and it did things.
So let me start out by saying this might be a short video, a short ride. We're here in South Florida is facing a gas crisis because of all the rain that we had, and everywhere you go there's either no gas or the line is outrageously long, so we all don't have any gas, and that's what we're facing. So we're going to be trying to find some gas as we take this ride down. Yeah, so like I was mentioning before, we have a few of us that's riding, but a few have left already because they have gas from where they came from. But not everybody has gas. So we gotta try and take it easy, you know, while riding, because you can't be getting up on it when you ain't got no gas. As we pass all these gas stations, as you can see, when you don't see no line, they don't have any gas there. They have red tape, white tape, or whatever the color of the tape is over the pumps. So it's not like I'm just passing the gas station and say, hey, you can get gas right there. No, they don't have any gas. Definitely don't want to take that chance. You got some of us, like one of, I ain't gonna mention his name, security reasons, but it's on the H2. He got about 10 miles left on his. man, it is killing me right now. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna try this gas station right here. So people are getting in line.
My time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my shit.